In this video, I am going to show you how to install Cisco Communication Manager Express in GNS3. So I have given this IP address, IP address brief 1.100, and here you can see my wireless connection is running, and it is having IP of 1.76. I will show you. 1.76 is the IP. I can already ping this IP from my router because in GNS3 I have connected a cloud. On the cloud I have configured my wireless network connection. I have added this wireless network connection so that I can transfer files from router to PC and PC to router, vice versa. So we first need to stop this and add a PCMCA slot, and that is flash memory, because we need to uh, transfer this file to our flash. So I will take 256 MB of flash, and then I will restart start my router. So as my router is getting started, I will tell you how you can download these two files which are required. So first of all, you need a bunch of files. So you have to go to this website firewall.cx, and under the downloads you will find Cisco tools. So from Cisco tool you need to download CCME GY files and extract it. Then you have to download TFTP D64, or if your system is 32-bit, then you need to download the 32-bit version. I have already downloaded the 32-bit version here. So it is already pointed to my downloads directory where I extracted the CME GUI 8.0.0.0.tar, so that I can copy that to my router. Your router is already configured. And then remove the IP address. Let's set it up. I must increase the font size for you. So that it is visible to you. So now I think it is visible. So let's ping our machine. Yes, we can ping that. Now we have to transfer this file. First of all, we need to do show flash. So we have to format it first. Yes, 256 MB of this flash drive is ready. Now we'll have to copy this file. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to type a command here. So command is archive /extract TFTP. Now we need to type the IP address 168. and the file name CME GUI 0.0.0.0.tar. Here we need to copy to flash memory. So it is extracting the files and copying the file one by one. It will take some time. So now we can see from show flash, already all the files are there. Now what we need to do, we need to configure our HTTP server. So go to config, type IP HTTP server. Then we need to define the authentication IP HTTP authentication local. Now we need to type username. Username is Tarun. Privilege I have given full. Password Cisco. Then we need to activate the telephony service command. Type the web admin password. Web admin system name Tarun and password will be Cisco. So now we need to go to our browser. We will need to type the IP address so you can configure your CCME. .100 was the IP. As ccme.html. It will take some time. Yes, it is taking some time, and now you can type your username and password. Click somewhere else. So my script has been blocked. That's why you can't see the page. So this is how you can set up your Cisco communication manager. Yet one more script is blocked. So this is how you can manage your CCME GUI server Just the script was blocked. Yes, you can do configuration from here, like admin username, new password. You can configure IP phone URLs. So this is how you can change your normal router to a voice router. Thanks for watching.